If you want to run an online event using Zoom, start by adding a new event from the Events tab. After filling in the basic details, be sure to mark it as an online event and select Zoom as the platform. Once you've added at least one ticket type and saved your event, you'll be taken back to the event summary page, where you'll be prompted to add the link to the Zoom event. Paste the link in the online event link field and click Save. You can update the link at any time by navigating to the online event link section from the left-hand side menu.